Now we arrive at Ichiran. It is very famous ramen restaurant. And when I entered Ichiran restaurant, this is very divided area. And you have to fill in the blank, and you have to choose which ramen do you want to eat from these options. How soft is this? Options you have. So first you have to fill out the blank. One thing you will be surprised is this area is automatically open when you order some ramen. Yes, it's very interesting for me. Also, it is Ichiran style to eat. Yes, when you visit Japan, you should visit Ichiran. I think it is very unique style to eat ramen. Yeah, delicious ramen. At last, yeah, ramen is arrived. Yes, it feels very tasty, and yes, how good ramen is. Yeah, I think it will be awesome. Okay, let's eat. Itadakimasu. Yeah, awesome taste. Yes, Ichiran Ramen is very delicious. You should visit. Okay, thank you for watching our channel. We upload very a lot of Japanese food which are popular in Japan, and also street food and some famous Japanese food and so on. And if you like our video, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you.